Hello kids! Today we're going to draw a yummy summer ice cream. Let's make it colorful and super fun. Grab your pencil and let's have fun drawing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Wow! This ice cream is super sweet, super tasty, and full of yummy flavors. Stay until the end to see the amazing final picture. Great job, little artist. Keep watching. We're going to finish an amazing drawing together. Like this video and subscribe for more fun drawings. Oh no! Our ice cream is melting. Quick, let's color it before it disappears. Woohoo! It's color time! Dark green. Wow! This ice cream looks so yummy. Which flavor would you pick? Tell me in your imagination. Chocolate, strawberry, or vanilla? And sunny yellow. Let's color, giggle, and have fun. Ready? Color, color, color! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun drawing adventures. Keep watching until the end to see the happy
A